Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Cash App business login problems. Verification issues step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official Cash App from the App Store or Google Play and not a cloned app. Open your phone settings and turn off any VPN, proxy, or private DNS that could block verification requests. Check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then try the login again. Make sure your phone date and time are set to automatic because incorrect time can break code verification. Update Cash App to the latest version because older versions often fail during business verification checks. Restart your phone to clear temporary system errors that can interrupt login or code delivery. If you cannot receive the login code, verify your phone number is active and can receive SMS messages. Check that your SMS inbox is not full and that you did not block unknown numbers or short codes. If you use email verification, open your inbox and spam folder and search for messages from Cash App. On the login screen, choose the correct method and avoid switching between phone and email too many times. If you forgot your account details, use the Help or Forgot option and follow the recovery prompts carefully. If the app loops on the verification screen, force close Cash App and reopen it before requesting a new code. Clear Cash App cache on Android from Settings, Apps, Cash App, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app from Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Cash App, then reinstall it. Double-check that your Cash App account region matches your actual country because mismatches can block business access. Go to your profile and confirm your legal name, date of birth, and address are typed exactly as on your ID. Use a clear government ID and take photos in good lighting with all corners visible and no glare. If asked for a selfie, remove hats and glasses, face the camera directly, and use a plain background. For business verification, ensure your business name, EIN or SSN, and address match official tax records. If your business is newly registered, wait until records are available, then attempt verification again. Make sure you are not using a rooted or jailbroken device because some security checks may fail. Sign out of Cash App on any other devices to prevent security flags during login verification. If your account is locked, stop trying repeatedly and wait the stated time to avoid extending the lock. Check Cash App server status online because platform outages can cause widespread login failures. If verification keeps failing, contact Cash App support in the app and attach screenshots of the exact error. Prepare to provide the last 4 digits of your card, your phone or email, and your business details for faster help. Never share your full PIN, full card number, or one-time codes with anyone claiming to be support. After support resolves the issue, enable extra security like a strong passcode and account notifications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.